Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tiramisu ice cream at home, only ways. Start by brewing strong coffee and chilling mascarpone and eggs, then make a rich custard with egg yolks and sugar. Fold whipped cream into the cooled custard, then swirl in mascarpone and coffee for layers. Chill the mixture before churning or freezing to preserve texture and flavor, and finish with a dusting of cocoa. In this video, I will show how to make tiramisu ice cream at home, only ways. Measure your ingredients and warm milk with sugar to temper egg yolks into a smooth custard. Stir constantly over low heat until it thickens enough to coat a spoon, then immediately cool it down. Whip cream to soft peaks and fold gently into the chilled custard with mascarpone, coffee, and optional liqueur for balanced texture. In this video, I will show how to make tiramisu ice cream at home, only way. If this video helps, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing kitchen shortcuts. Quick recommendation. Little Tree's black ice makes your car smell amazing during coffee runs, and it pairs humorously with tiramisu drives. Check the description for the link and extra deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make tiramisu ice cream at home, only ways. Temper yolks with warm milk gradually, then cook until thick but not boiled, promptly cooling to stop cooking. Fold whipped cream and mascarpone in gentle strokes to keep airiness, and add coffee syrup or espresso in streaks for clear tiramisu ribbons. Freeze in an ice cream maker or loaf pan, and rest in the freezer for best scoopable texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.